Auto show for the vintage car. Yan. Over. What's this year? Calgary. Ford model 1921. That's Ford. And that's the Diamond Brewery truck. So, ito yung taga-deliver ng alak noon, no? Tank nila. Tapos ito, para carry ng oil. Oh, yun ang Mercedes-Benz nila dati, oh.
The Mercedes na ta?
Ayan. Yung niya, yung RB. Oh. Yeah. Ito yung RB nila. Older than old. Oh. Kalesa na may motor. Alaska, Chevrolet eh. Tow truck pala to, tow truck.
Yeah, old tow truck.
Yan ang tow truck nila noong unang panahon. Talagang
Isa pa yung tow truck.
yan pa, oh. Tsaka isang gasoline tank. Mga tanker. There's another tow truck over here too. Here, there's another tow truck. Okay. And this is Austin, 1935. Napakaliit. Sabi ng dito, staff, gumagana pa mga to. Tumatakbo pa mga to, kompleto pa. Andito pa lahat.
Kailan's tita.
Oh, yes.
Tita Kate?
Auto Giant. Auto Giant. Ito yung na-restore na mga sasakyan nung unang panahon. Yan. Okay. Nababa tayo. Okay. Ito yung mga vintage car. Ito yung malupit. Ito yung Ford nila na truck. Still working, oh. Still working yung Ford nila truck. Yan. Barupay talaga. Agbalin pala lagi na pilid na. Ito naman yung tank. Yan. Yun ang tanker nila, Shell. Ito yung vintage car nila na ito yung bintahan ng ice cream. Ba't ganyan? Ice cream. Ice cream cart. Ito yung gasoline station nila. That's the new one now. Ito yung old. Ito yung GMC Motors, General Motors. Ano to, delivery? Ito naman, delivery, cargo. Yan. Yung mga vintage car nila dito. Yan. Ito. Marami pa sa loob. Ito. Ang dami dito. Yan, mga vintage car mga to. Yan. Ford ito. GMC.
Ford.
Cadillac. There's no Cadillac.
Not in this row.
Not in this row.
There's two up in the service station.
On the service station there.
Yeah, there's
Okay.
the 1905 Cadillac, and then what looks like a tow truck was then actually a
Oh.
1915 Cadillac. And